Your revolution start here.
Ah, nice. I love it.
I attended the hands-on training in laser proctology organized by Oreole. I must say it was a very good experience. Dr. Kalyan Kar gave a very good explanation. Starting right from the basics of what laser surgery is, and he took us through all the steps of it. I would say it's a very educative program.
I will learn up from 0 to 100 in a single day, in a single session. So it's a wonderful session. Thanks to Oreole.
It was very well conducted program. Faculty was excellent. Everything was well explained from the basics up to the latest surgical procedures and the complications, and also regarding the post-operative management. Very good exposure to all type of cases. I am very much benefited out of this program.
The program was informative. It was actually very refreshing and fruitful event.
I attended this Oreole Academy Proctology laser workshop. It was very informative, very helpful, nice experience.
Thank you to Oreole Academy. A person like Kalyan Kar, who's a colorectal surgeon up in the north of the country, who does a lot of laser procedures, more than half a day today, sharing us his thoughts and his tips and how he has built up a laser practice. I mean, there is certainly a lot to take from it in terms of where it can be applied, how safely it should be applied, and the right indications where it is indicated. Grateful to Oreole Academy who had organized this for a lot of colorectal surgeons or surgeons with colorectal interest.
Today we had a great discussion with Kalyan sir, and he had given beautiful insights and he explained in a beautiful manner. Thanking Oreole Academy.
Thank you, Oreole. Thank you, Oreole Academy, for conducting this program.
I have attended this conference, Oreole Academy. The operating surgeon, the proctor is Dr. Kalyan Kar, and he is a very humble person. He has explained all the basic steps to avoid complications. It was very useful. A lot of tips, laser surgery on hemorrhoids and fistula.
Today I attended the program conducted by the Oreole Academy. The program was conducted in a good manner.
The arrangement for the demonstration of all the laser applications in proctology was excellent.
A lot of information has been passed to us, and special thanks to the Oreole team.
On laser proctology, it was very good and informative. Overall, the course was good and very informative. I'm confident I'll start doing laser proctology. Thanks to Dr. Kalyan Kar.